Hey, I'm Lydia, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the Resiners Bubble Removal Machine. So I've been seeing this machine all over Amazon and TikTok, and it really caught my eye, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to purchase it or make the investment. But when Resiners reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try it out for free, I said absolutely. So here I am. I started out by taking it out of the box, and the machine feels very well made. All the components feel like top quality. It's pretty easy to get started. You just plug it in and close the little silicone cap on the back, put your cup of resin inside, and hit the power button. For my review, I wanted to make sure that it could really stand up to a lot of bubbles. So what I did was I mixed my resin faster than I normally would, and then I set the cup into the machine, and I'll let you see what happens after that. Once the timer goes off, you have to release the silicone cap on the back of the machine, and then that finishes the process, and all of that suction or whatever it is releases, and you have really clear resin afterwards. I was very, very surprised that it actually worked, to be honest. I'm very skeptical when it comes to things like this, but it actually lived up to its claims. And so afterwards, I just poured it into my mold and let it cure overnight. And here you can see the finished product. Overall, I was very, very happy with the product. I think that if you are someone who needs to have clear resin, you're making projects that require that, and no matter what you do, you're struggling with these air pockets, this is a worthy investment into your business, into your craft. And I feel like it will definitely pay you back in time. I will say that you want to make sure that you don't put so much resin in your cup that it's going to overflow, because it is expanding the resin a lot when it's going through the process. So make sure that you have a big enough container to hold the resin as it expands so you don't overflow it. For my purposes, I think that this is a great machine and absolutely lives up to the claims that it makes. If you would like to purchase your own Resiners Bubble Removing Machine, check out the link in my description where you can save a little bit with my link. And if you want to see some more of my creations, watch this video next.